Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today is the first 4K video on the channel, I think, but anyways, just about 4 o'clock, so wrapping up the day. And I just didn't want to come back upstairs to make this video because my legs are sore. But anyways, today what I worked on, screwing in light bulbs, putting on the glass covers. This looks a lot better for dark lighting, like my old phone would not even pick this up. So anyways, had another guy working with me. He was hanging the 4-footers. Also did a bathroom light or whatever, but we also put in the tile or the plug plates on the tile. This might be a little dark, but it looks like it's picking up the light pretty well. And then we did the under counter lights. So this is a 42-inch, and then we got a 24 right there. That one, I don't know if we have the 1-footer or 18 inchers. And then we did the smoke detectors right there. I guess we missed that one. We got another one there. And then that's way too dark. So there's a shower light in there, a little fake can light. These glasses, one was broken and the other one wasn't here. Got another smoke detector. And then we got another 4-foot, whatever this is called. It's called an F light. That's the model type, but I don't know what specific brand. So that's what we did in this room, and then basically the same exact thing in the other room. And then the guy that was working with me left at noon. So basically I just went to another room, installed some lights, some glasses, and then there's some outside plugs on the outside that I just went and did all these on the floor because it's nice outside. It's only 60 degrees, so I went outside and did all these outside plugs right here. Now I can't see the phones. A little plug-in right here, weatherproof, WR. So went around and did all those. So when it's cold out, we don't have to do those. We don't have to go outside and do those. So there still is the outside lights above the door that still need to be done, but I don't think we have those in stock or whatever. So anyways, this one over here is, I was gonna finish it because he left, but like the one piece is missing or whatever, so I don't know what he did with that piece. So yeah, so I did the under counters, the tile plugs, and then the dishwasher disposal. I think it's a dishwasher because it just looks like a regular plug, so that's just for the dishwasher probably. And then another 24-inch under counter, and then another 42. And these ones need I've been putting the box extensions on there because they're too far away from the wall or whatever, an 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch, whatever it is. But basically, if they're not an adjustable box, like flush with the tile, we have to put one of those on. So I've been putting one of those on every one of these plugs. That one was a regular box, but actually that was a extension that I just backed out. But this one is just a nail-on box, so have to get like a 2-gang extendable ring right there, so I don't have those. Anyways, told my coworker about my YouTube, so he's maybe watching, so what's up, Mark? Anyways, thanks for stopping by. So hung these glasses, and then so this guy went around fire caulking all this stuff, so all that's wet for the smoke detectors and stuff. Really didn't feel like getting my hands all fire caulked up, so that's why I basically just went around and did some of these light bulbs and glasses, and then did the outside plugs because one, I want to do it while it's nice outside, and then two, didn't want to mess with these boxes and get fire caulk all smeared on the ceiling and whatnot. So I got a little bit on my hand, but it's almost gone now, so I don't know, it's not really focusing, but a little bit right there. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you like the quality, if I sound better or whatnot for the audio. 4K iPhone XS Max. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you. End the video.